Oh, hi! I'm making artist trading cards. Want to see? My name is Carolyn Fisher. I'm an illustrator and author of books for kids. Today I'm going to make some art on some artist trading cards. Artist trading cards are kind of like Pokemon cards or hockey cards. They measure 2.5 by 3.5 inches. You make art on them and then you can trade them with your friends. Stay tuned to find out how to enter an artist trading card contest. Details at the end of this video and in the show notes below. And you can put any kind of art on an artist trading card. So you can make a potato print, or you can make some ink blobs, or you could glue some cut paper and ripped paper onto your artist trading card. You can do anything on an artist trading card. And with this one, I'm just going to draw a picture of a cat. So here's the head. Here's the ears. And here's an eye and another eye. It's kind of a scared cat. There's a little triangle nose and some legs. There's its back and its tail. And when you're done making the artist trading card, you sign your name on it. And then you can trade it with your friends. To make artist trading cards, you'll collect some materials from around your home, like some cardboard or some tissue and some scissors and glue and paint and crayons and pencils if you have them. I'm going to measure out my card. It's 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Then I'm going to cut it to the right size. Once I have my template, I can put it on all kinds of other pieces of paper and cut the cards out the right size. Now I have a stack of cards. I'm going to add a little paint to some of my cards. Now I'm going to add a little orange and a little red. I was out of potatoes, so I thought I might try making a carrot print. Now I'm going to glue some scraps of paper to my artist trading cards. Then I'm going to trim them with scissors. Now I have a whole stack of cards, so I think I'm going to draw on top. First I'm going to draw a kid. So I'm going to draw the face, then I'll draw some hair. I speeded it up a little bit. Then I'll draw some hands. And I'm going to draw some more kids. This kid hasn't had a haircut in a while. Now I'll draw a fish. Time to draw a pig. And here's a fire-breathing crocodile. And an owl. I think I need another cat. And a giant squid. I'm going to take 3 of these artist trading cards and put them in an envelope and mail them to my friend Q. And Q is going to make 3 artist trading cards and put them in an envelope and mail them to me. Now you can go make some artist trading cards and swap them with your friends. Which brings me to the artist trading card contest. Post or email a photo of your artist trading card to me by June 22nd, 2020 to win an original card from me, plus a shout out in my follow-up video on June 30th. You can see the addresses in the notes below the video. Just to remind you how I make artist trading cards. I cut out cards to be 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. I paint, glue, and draw on them. Then I swap them with my friends. And that's it. Now go make some artist trading cards. A big thank you to the Rosé Foundation for their support of the Wordsmith with Us videos that connect Alberta authors, artists, and storytellers with kids. And thank you to the Young Alberta Book Society, who organized the YABS TV project. If you're an Alberta teacher or librarian, follow YABS on YouTube and social media to find out how to bring Alberta authors into your schools and libraries. Subscribe to the Young Alberta Book Society YABS TV channel to see how-to videos from dozens of authors, illustrators, and storytellers. Thanks, YABS. And thanks, kids.